Most people believe wealth comes with an instant lifestyle upgrade, luxury cars, designer clothes, and exotic vacations. But what if real wealth doesn't announce itself? What if it quietly builds in the background and you're already on the path without realizing it? True financial success isn't about sudden windfalls, it's about small, consistent habits that shape your future. Some people wake up one day and realize they've built wealth while barely noticing the process. And if certain signs are appearing in your life, you could be heading toward financial freedom without even knowing it. First, your money is working for you. At the beginning, making money means active effort, working a job, running a business, or doing side hustles. But real wealth starts when your money begins to grow on its own. If you're earning passive income through investments, dividends, real estate, or business ventures, you're taking a major step toward financial independence. If your bank account is growing even when you're not actively working extra hours, you're already shifting into wealth building mode. Next, you're no longer living paycheck to paycheck. Wealth isn't just about how much you earn, it's about how much financial freedom you have. If you've built savings that cover months or even years of expenses, you've created a financial cushion that allows you to make choices based on long-term goals rather than survival. You also prioritize long-term wealth over quick cash. Instead of chasing short-term gains, you're thinking about investments that compound over time. Whether it's real estate, stocks, or a business, you're playing the long game, understanding that patience and consistency build lasting financial success. A major sign of quiet wealth is resisting lifestyle inflation. Many people upgrade their spending habits the moment they start making more money, falling into a cycle where they never truly feel financially secure. If you've started earning more but have kept your expenses in check, you're accumulating wealth instead of just consuming it. Another indicator is that you no longer feel the need to prove your wealth. The wealthiest individuals don't flaunt their money, they focus on financial security. If you no longer care about impressing people with luxury items and social media posts, you've already developed a wealth-conscious mindset. Wealth also means handling emergencies without panic. If an unexpected expense, like a medical bill or car repair, doesn't send you into a financial spiral, you've reached a level of security that most people struggle with. Having an emergency fund keeps you in control and prevents you from falling into debt cycles. Another key factor: multiple streams of income. The wealthy don't rely on just one paycheck. If you've started diversifying your income through investments, rental properties, or online businesses, you're creating financial security that will continue to grow over time. Understanding the difference between assets and liabilities is another sign you're quietly getting rich. Rich people buy assets that generate income, while broke people buy liabilities that drain their finances. If you're focusing more on investments that appreciate in value rather than spending on temporary luxuries, you're making financial moves that set you up for long-term success. You also recognize the power of compound growth. The wealthy don't just save money, they make it grow. If your investments are multiplying over time without you adding much more money, you've tapped into one of the strongest wealth-building strategies. Small, consistent investments today turn into massive wealth in the future. Beyond numbers, you've developed a strong financial mindset. If you've stopped viewing money as something to spend and instead see it as a tool for long-term freedom, you're already separating yourself from the average person. Educating yourself on investing, budgeting, and financial strategy is one of the clearest signs of true wealth building. More importantly, you're chasing financial freedom, not just retirement. Instead of waiting until 65 to enjoy life, you're looking for ways to create wealth that allows you to work because you want to, not because you have to. If your mindset has shifted toward creating passive income and achieving independence sooner, you're already thinking like the rich, and finally, you value your time as much as your money. Wealthy individuals protect their time and use it wisely. If you've started eliminating distractions, outsourcing low-value tasks, and focusing on what truly matters, you're operating on a higher financial level. Most people assume wealth comes in a dramatic, obvious way, but the truth is, it often happens silently through small, consistent habits. If you see these signs in your life, you may already be wealthier than you think. True wealth isn't about showing off, it's about control, security, and freedom. If you're making these shifts, congratulations. You're already on the path to financial success. You might not feel rich yet, but wealth is a process, not a single event. Stay on course, and soon enough, the results will speak for themselves.